Do you ever feel like no matter how hard you work, you're still stuck in the same financial place? You get your paycheck, it's gone. You promise to save, but somehow you don't. And the cycle repeats. The truth is, it's not just about how much money you make, it's about the habits you practice every single day. So let me ask you a question. What habits are making you broke? You might think it's your low salary, but actually, according to the science of habit formation, it's your daily practices that are holding you back. In this video, I'm going to break down 5 habits that silently keep people poor and exactly how you can break free from them. Make sure you stay with me until the end, because habit number 5 is one of the biggest traps of all, and most people never see it coming. Now, you might be thinking, I'm doing great. I've got a roof over my head, food on the table, clothes on my back, and that's awesome. But if you're not moving forward financially, you're actually going backwards. Because as the cost of living rises, staying in the same place is a slow fade into poverty. But don't worry, it's not your fault. These habits are ingrained into us from school. They're part of our survival programming. But just because it's normal doesn't mean it's right. We're conditioned to trade our time for money, live paycheck to paycheck, and never take risks. But there's another path. It's a bit bumpy, but it leads to freedom. So here's your roadmap. I know it seems far off, but trust me, it's closer than you think. Habit number 1, living paycheck to paycheck. You get your salary on the 25th. For the first few days, you're on cloud 9. Then slowly your balance starts dropping. Bills, groceries, random expenses pop up, and before you know it, it's the last day of the month and you're scrambling. This paycheck to paycheck cycle is the silent killer of financial progress. You never build any cushion. One unexpected expense, a car breakdown, a medical bill, job loss, and you're in debt. There's always a reason to worry. Am I saving enough? Will I get that promotion? If you don't, it's like running on a treadmill. You think you're moving forward, but you're staying in the same spot. How to escape this habit? Pay yourself first. Even if it's just 5% of your income, automate it. Put it into savings. When your paycheck hits, it goes straight to the bank. Out of sight, out of mind. Now it is easy to spend the rest of your money guilt-free, knowing you've taken care of your future self. Start small, but be consistent. If you can't afford to save, at least start investing in skills. Build something on the side so you have leverage. Always have some money tucked away for opportunities. Habit number 2, impulse spending and debt. That notification tone from your phone. You open it and bam, 30% off, limited stock. You click add to cart without a second thought. Next thing you know, you've got a package. The story isn't unique to you or me. Most people are doing the same, and it's happening faster than ever. Thanks to buy now, pay later services, it's too easy to spend beyond your means. Before you know it, those small purchases pile up, becoming unmanageable. How to escape this habit? When you feel the urge to buy, pause and ask, do I really need this or do I just want it? Would I buy it if it wasn't on sale? Get rid of credit cards unless for emergencies. Stick to cash or debit. When you see a sale, resist the temptation. Don't be impulsive. Be patient. Spend money on experiences, not things. And if you're too weak to resist, block shopping sites on your phone. You'll thank me later. Habit number 3, wasting time. They say time is money, but we treat it like dirt. Picture this, 2 p.m. rolls around. You stretch, yawn, and open your phone. As you scroll through social media, the clock ticks by unnoticed. 3 hours pass and suddenly you realize you've wasted yet another afternoon. And this happens almost every day. How to escape this habit? Schedule time for growth. Dedicate 30 minutes daily to learning a new skill, reading, or networking. Treat it like an important meeting. Commit to it. Cut mindless social media scrolling. Just delete the apps for a week. Replace it with active growth. If you spend just 1 hour daily on self-improvement, in 6 months you could launch a side hustle. In a year, it could replace your job. Remember, millionaires don't have more hours in a day. They just use them differently. Habit number 4, avoiding risk and growth. Comfort is the enemy of progress. Let's face it, taking risks is scary. Putting yourself out there is intimidating. That's why we stick to what's familiar. We play it safe. I'll start that business when I'm ready. I'll invest when I have more money. I'll learn when I have time, but that time never comes. You're too busy being comfortable. How to escape this habit? Start now. Take calculated risks. Don't wait to be ready. No one is. Don't put off investing. It's a game changer. Habit number 5, Negative money mindset. Your beliefs shape your reality. If you think money is evil, you'll never attract it. If you think rich people are greedy, you'll never become one because deep down, you don't want to be greedy. It's time to shift your mindset. Money is a tool for freedom, for security, for helping others. It's not inherently good or bad. Your thoughts create your beliefs, your actions create your habits, and your habits either move you towards or away from financial abundance. So let's recap quickly. Stop living paycheck to paycheck. Pay yourself first. Avoid impulse spending and debt. Ask yourself, do I really need this? Use your time wisely. Schedule time for growth. Cut mindless scrolling. Take smart risks and invest in growth. Start now. Don't wait to be ready. And finally, build a positive money mindset. See money as a tool for good. Which of these 5 habits do you struggle with the most? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear your story. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to Think Tank Lounge, and share this with someone who needs a money wake-up call. Remember, success is not about luck. It's about habits. And the good news is you can change your starting today. And hey, if you're still with me, drop a money emoji in the comments. Let's see who the real money geeks are. You made it. That means you're ready for the bonus material. Look, we've all heard the advice: budget, save, invest. But let me tell you what works best for me. First, budget. Yeah, I know, boring, but necessary. Figure out where your money goes, track your expenses, cut the useless ones. Use apps like Mint or YNAB Second, Save, automate it. Set up direct deposits into your savings account. Having money saved makes you feel secure. Third, invest. Grow your money. Put your savings to work for you. Invest in stocks, bonds, real estate. Little money, start with index funds or ETFs. Learn as you go. Don't let fear hold you back. Quick disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. This is just what has worked for me. And remember, consistency is key. One investment strategy won't make you rich overnight. It's the long game. Stay focused, stay disciplined. Wealth doesn't come from a single win, but from a series of small, consistent steps. It's about building a solid foundation for the future. So are you ready to take control of your finances? Drop the $sign in the comments if you're in. It's time to make your money work for you.